When it comes to choosing the best VPN, you need to be aware of what you're really getting with a service like Perfect Privacy. There are a lot of options out there, and while some come with big promises, only a few truly deliver when it comes to privacy and performance. So let's dive into 12 things you need to know before you decide if Perfect Privacy is the right choice for you. First up, Perfect Privacy is known for its strong emphasis on security. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't just rely on the standard encryption protocols. It uses multi-hop connections, meaning your data can be routed through several servers, making it much harder to trace. This adds a layer of security that many VPNs don't offer. Next thing, Perfect Privacy offers a feature called neuro routing. This technology ensures your data takes the most secure and fastest route to its destination, based on real-time internet traffic and security metrics. It's a unique feature you won't find with most other VPNs. The third thing to note is that Perfect Privacy has a strict no logs policy. Many VPN services claim they don't keep logs, but Perfect Privacy is audited to back up this claim. It's based in Switzerland, which has strong privacy laws, so your data remains protected. The fourth thing is their extensive server network. While Perfect Privacy doesn't have as many servers as larger VPNs, like NordVPN, the servers they offer are strategically located in privacy-friendly countries. This gives you more control over where your data travels and adds to the overall security. Next thing, Perfect Privacy supports a wide range of platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. What sets it apart is the ability to use it on multiple devices simultaneously, which is great for households or businesses that need VPN protection on several devices at once. The sixth thing is the ability to create custom VPN configurations. Perfect Privacy allows you to tweak settings like DNS, and even offers a kill switch to ensure your data is never exposed if the VPN disconnects. While other VPNs offer similar features, the customization here is pretty robust. Next up, if you're into torrenting or streaming, Perfect Privacy allows P2P traffic and has optimized servers for these activities. However, it's not as fast as some competitors in this area, so if speed is your top priority, there might be faster alternatives out there. The eighth thing is the price. Perfect Privacy isn't the cheapest VPN on the market, especially compared to services like Surfshark or ExpressVPN. But with that higher price tag comes extra features and a focus on privacy that most budget VPNs don't prioritize. Now, the ninth thing is the user interface. While it's functional, the design isn't as sleek as some other VPNs. It might not win any design awards, but if you're focused on privacy and performance, this is a minor trade-off. Next thing, if you're someone who likes to access content from various countries, Perfect Privacy's geo-unblocking ability is a bit hit or miss. While it works for some streaming services, it's not as consistent as the bigger players in the industry, like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. The 11th thing is their customer support. Perfect Privacy offers 24/7 support, but it's not as fast or as intuitive as some of the larger providers. It can take a little longer to get the help you need, but once you do, the support team is knowledgeable and helpful. Finally, while Perfect Privacy is a solid VPN option, if you're looking for something with better speed, a larger server network, and more budget-friendly options, there are other great alternatives out there. We've tested many VPNs, and if you want a more well-rounded experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. To sum it up, Perfect Privacy is a strong choice if privacy is your main concern, and its extra features make it stand out from many competitors. But depending on your needs, whether it's speed, server variety, or pricing, there could be a better fit for you.